Meow. Meow. So we did a couple of really young kittens earlier this week, and now we're going to do an older kitten. So I'm just kind of mapping in Kitty here. And I've sped this up to double speed. Get through it a bit quicker. Get that muzzle in there. And just shaping out the ears. If you really are passionate about cat drawing, I encourage you to check out our Facebook group, Cat Drawing Art Workshop, and we'd be happy to have you if you love drawing cats. So you'll find the link for that group in the video description below, plus some other handy cat drawing links. Just general shapes here to start. Just feeling it out. It's a good idea to use the artist's magic squint. Just kind of squint at your subject, and that way you generally see shapes and values better, rather than all those distracting and confusing details that we really don't need anyways. Yeah, I didn't like that. Start again. Yeah, it's a little bit more difficult perspective because Kitty's head is turned to the side a bit. But it's good to challenge yourself. I'm liking it now. So now I'll darken up those lines that I like. I like that. Oh, no, I guess I didn't like it as much. I just had to soften it a bit, I guess. Then that curve for the eyes, because we want to help, the eyes kind of help show the shape of the cat's head, the kind of semi-spherical shape. So we want to pay attention to the contour that goes around that head while we're plopping those eyes in. Got to think of yourself as sculpting when you're drawing. You really do. Because you're basically creating a 3D image, or the illusion of a 3D image on a 2D surface. Tighten up a little more here now when I get to the details like the eyes. So the eyes are one detail that I like to have in there, but less is more with the whole drawing, for me anyhow. I like the curve of that tail. I want to keep that curious look. Looks like Kitty's stalking something. Yes, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscriptions are what make this channel purr. And you may even think you're subscribed and you're not. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and help us build our awesome community of crazy cat artists. Just a suggestion of hair. Maybe a bit too ruffled up there, but I kind of like it anyways. A suggestion of some tabby stripes, which also suggests some hair too. I like to get that little smirk in there, and I really use all the facial features to play that up. Darken up those eyes because they really are an important focal point. And use the tabby stripes to form the head too, the contour of the head. Get a little bit of the suggestion of fluffiness there. I think this kitten probably has some Maine Coon. Maybe is a purebred Maine Coon. But I certainly don't advocate breeding myself. There are too many cats that need to be rescued. I get my images from an online place called Canva, so I really don't know the origin of a lot of them. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our Facebook group, check out the links in the description, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.